In a world plagued by invisible threats, one man's relentless pursuit of truth and discovery sparked a revolution that transformed medicine, agriculture, and industry forever. Meet Louis Pasteur, the visionary chemist whose groundbreaking work in microbiology and immunology laid the foundation for modern science and saved countless lives through the power of knowledge and innovation. Who is Louis Pasteur? Louis Pasteur, 1822 to 1895, was a French chemist and microbiologist renowned for his discoveries in the fields of microbiology and immunology. He is best known for his breakthroughs in the causes and prevention of diseases. Pasteur's work laid the foundation for many scientific advances and practical applications in medicine, agriculture, and industry. Some of his most notable achievements include: 1. Germ theory of disease. Pasteur's experiments helped establish the germ theory of disease, which proposed that microorganisms are the cause of many diseases. This theory revolutionized medicine and led to significant improvements in public health practices. 2. Pasteurization. Pasteurization is the process of heating liquids to kill bacteria and other pathogens without altering their taste or nutritional value significantly. Pasteur developed this process to prevent the spoilage of milk and other beverages, thereby improving food safety and extending the shelf life of perishable goods. 3. Vaccination. Pasteur is credited with the development of vaccines for several diseases, including rabies and anthrax. His work on vaccination demonstrated the principle of immunization, where exposure to a weakened or killed pathogen triggers the body's immune response without causing the disease itself. 4. Fermentation. Pasteur investigated the process of fermentation, demonstrating that it was caused by the activity of microorganisms such as bacteria and yeast. His studies laid the groundwork for modern microbiology and fermentation technology, which has applications in brewing, winemaking, and other industries. 5. Silkworm disease. Pasteur also contributed to the understanding and control of diseases affecting silkworms, which were crucial for the silk industry in France during his time. Pasteur's discoveries and methods had a profound impact on various fields, including medicine, agriculture, and food production, and his legacy continues to influence scientific research and innovation to this day. Summary. The summary of the content highlights the life and contributions of Louis Pasteur, a renowned French chemist and microbiologist. Pasteur's groundbreaking discoveries in microbiology and immunology revolutionized medicine, agriculture, and industry. He established the germ theory of disease, developed pasteurization to improve food safety, and created vaccines for diseases such as rabies and anthrax. His research on fermentation advanced understanding in microbiology, while his work on silkworm diseases contributed to the silk industry. Pasteur's legacy continues to influence scientific research and innovation, shaping public health practices and improving global well-being. Here are some keywords and their meanings based on this content. 1. Louis Pasteur, renowned French chemist and microbiologist. 2. Microbiology. Microbiology is the study of microorganisms, such as bacteria, viruses, and fungi. 3. Immunology. The branch of biology concerned with the immune system, immunity, and the body's defense against pathogens. 4. Germ theory of disease. The concept proposes that microorganisms are the cause of many diseases. 5. Pasteurization. Pasteurization is the process of heating liquids to kill bacteria and other pathogens, named after Louis Pasteur. 6. Vaccination. The administration of a vaccine to stimulate the immune system and protect against specific diseases. 7. Rabies. Rabies is a viral disease that affects the central nervous system and is preventable by vaccination. 8. Anthrax. Anthrax is a bacterial disease that primarily affects livestock but can also affect humans and is preventable by vaccination. 9. Fermentation. The metabolic process by which microorganisms convert sugars into alcohol, acids, or gases. 10. Microorganisms. Tiny living organisms, such as bacteria, viruses, and fungi, are often not visible to the naked eye. 11. Public health. the branch of medicine concerned with the health and well-being of communities and populations. 12. Food safety, measures taken to ensure that food is safe for consumption and free from contamination by pathogens. 13. Vaccine development, the process of creating vaccines to prevent specific diseases by stimulating the immune system. 14. Immunity, the ability of the body to resist or fight off infection or disease. 15. Silkworm disease, diseases affecting silkworms are important for the silk industry. 16. Spoilage, the process by which food deteriorates in quality, often due to the growth of microorganisms. 17. Industrial Revolution, a period of rapid technological advancement and economic growth in the 18th and 19th centuries. 18. Scientific Revolution, a period of significant scientific advancements and changes in thought during the Renaissance and Enlightenment periods. 19. Innovation. Innovation is the process of introducing new ideas, methods, or products to bring about positive change. 20. Legacy, the lasting impact or influence left behind by a person, organization, or event. Here are some questions and suggested answers based on this content. 1. Question: who was Louis Pasteur? Suggested answer: Louis Pasteur was a renowned French chemist and microbiologist known for his groundbreaking discoveries in microbiology and immunology. 2. Question: what is the germ theory of disease? Suggested answer: the germ theory of disease is the concept that microorganisms, such as bacteria and viruses, are the primary cause of many diseases. 3. Question: what is pasteurization, and why is it important? Suggested answer: pasteurization is the process of heating liquids, such as milk and juice, to kill harmful bacteria and pathogens without significantly altering their taste or nutritional value. It is important for improving food safety and extending shelf life. 4. Question: how did Louis Pasteur contribute to vaccination? Suggested answer: Louis Pasteur developed vaccines for diseases such as rabies and anthrax, demonstrating the principle of immunization and significantly advancing the field of vaccination. 5. Question: what is fermentation, and how did Pasteur contribute to its understanding? Suggested answer: fermentation is the metabolic process by which microorganisms convert sugars into alcohol, acids, or gases. Pasteur's research helped to elucidate the role of microorganisms in fermentation processes, laying the foundation for modern microbiology. 6. Question: what impact did Pasteur's work have on public health practices? Suggested answer: Pasteur's work revolutionized public health practices by establishing the germ theory of disease and promoting methods such as pasteurization to prevent the spread of harmful pathogens. 7. Question: what diseases did Louis Pasteur study in silkworms? Suggested answer: Louis Pasteur studied diseases affecting silkworms, which were crucial for the silk industry, contributing to advancements in sericulture. 8. Question: how did Pasteur's discoveries impact the agricultural industry? Suggested answer: Pasteur's discoveries in microbiology and immunology led to advancements in agriculture, including the development of vaccines to prevent diseases in livestock. 9. Question: what is the significance of vaccination in preventing infectious diseases? Suggested answer: vaccination stimulates the immune system to protect against specific diseases, preventing infection and reducing the spread of infectious diseases within populations. 10. Question: how did Pasteur's work contribute to the Industrial Revolution? Suggested answer: Pasteur's discoveries in microbiology and immunology contributed to advancements in industry, particularly in food production and public health practices. 11. Question: what is the difference between bacteria and viruses? Suggested answer: bacteria are single-celled microorganisms that can reproduce independently, whereas viruses are infectious agents that require a host cell to replicate. 12. Question: how did Pasteur's research on rabies contribute to medicine? Suggested answer: Pasteur's development of a vaccine for rabies demonstrated the feasibility of vaccination as a preventive measure against infectious diseases, paving the way for future advancements in medicine. 13. Question: what are some examples of diseases preventable by vaccination? Suggested answer: Diseases preventable by vaccination include measles, polio, influenza, and hepatitis. 14. Question. How did Pasteur's work on fermentation impact the brewing and winemaking industries? Suggested answer. Pasteur's research on fermentation helped to elucidate the role of microorganisms in the process, leading to improvements in brewing and winemaking techniques and the development of more consistent and higher quality products. 15. Question. What measures can be taken to ensure food safety? Suggested answer. Measures to ensure food safety include proper sanitation practices, adequate cooking temperatures, and techniques such as pasteurization to eliminate harmful pathogens. 16. Question. What is the immune system, and how does it function? Suggested answer. The immune system is the body's defense mechanism against infectious agents and other foreign substances. It works by recognizing and destroying pathogens, such as bacteria and viruses, to protect against infection and disease. 17. Question. What role did Louis Pasteur play in advancing the field of microbiology? Suggested answer. Louis Pasteur made significant contributions to the field of microbiology by elucidating the role of microorganisms in fermentation, establishing the germ theory of disease, and developing vaccines to prevent infectious diseases. 18. Question. How did Pasteur's work impact global health? Suggested answer. Pasteur's work had a profound impact on global health by improving sanitation practices, developing vaccines to prevent infectious diseases, and advancing our understanding of microbiology and immunology. 19. Question. What is the significance of Pasteur's legacy in modern science? Suggested answer. Pasteur's legacy in modern science is marked by his pioneering discoveries in microbiology and immunology, which continue to influence research and medical practices to this day. 20. Question. What are some examples of innovations inspired by Pasteur's work? Suggested answer. Innovations inspired by Pasteur's work include advancements in vaccination techniques, food safety practices, and fermentation technology, as well as improvements in public health infrastructure. This material primarily helps to learn English vocabulary, English grammar, and English sentence structure. Thank you for watching. Thank you for thinking about subscribing to see various exciting videos.